Hi everybody, it's Mr. Paul here. Are you ready for some phonics? I'm going to show you a new game. Now this game is called Is It T? Is it T? Or is it P? Can you say that with me? Is it T? That's T, T, T. Or is it P, P? To play this game, you're going to need a pen or a pencil, a nice piece of paper. What you need to do is draw a line down the middle. Draw a line down the middle, okay? And then up here, at the top of one side, we need to write T, T. So when we say T, the action, we move our head from left to right, like we're watching a tennis game. T, T. And it's the letter T that makes the sound T. Say that with me. Touch your head and say the letter T makes the sound, point to your mouth, the sound T. The letter T makes the sound T. Now letter T. How do we write the letter T? Start at the bottom, go up high, down and hook, and then you cross it like that, yeah? T. That's the letter T that makes the sound T. So there we go. Pause the video if you need a bit of time to write that letter. Have you done it? Well done. Now let's say it together. The letter T makes the sound T. Excellent. Now, on this side, we are going to write P. P. How do we write P? Do you know? It's the letter P that makes the sound P. So watch carefully. The letter P. Up, back down, all the way to the bottom, back up the same line, over and round. Quite a tricky one, isn't it? So if you need to go back to see that again, you can rewind the video a little bit. So that's the letter P that makes the sound P. Now pause the video while you write that. Have you written it? Good. Let's say it together. Don't forget to tap your head and tap your lips. The letter P makes the sound P. Excellent. Okay, we've got our two sounds. We've got T and we've got P. On your piece of paper, point to P. Did you do it? See if you can do it before me. Point to T. Yeah. Point to T. Yeah. Point to P. Oh, you're so quick. Well done. Now, this is our song. It goes like this. Is it T or is it P? Is it T or is it P? And when we sing, what you have to do is point to the sound on your piece of paper. Point to the letter that makes the sound on your piece of paper. So we'll be going, is it T, 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 or is it P, P, P? And if you're really clever, you can do the action as well. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Is it T, 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 or is it Is it T, 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 or is it P, P, P? So don't worry if you didn't get all the words. We'll be doing it a few times and you will learn it. Now, first thing. Oh, what have I got here? It's made of metal. It has a lid. And inside, oh look, coffee beans. coffee beans. Yeah, it's Mr. Paul's coffee tin. 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 Say that word for me. Tin. Good. Tin. Now, that tin, does it start with the t sound or the p sound? Is it t or is it p? What I find is really helpful is if you say the word, but you make it really long. You stretch it out and say it slowly. So the word was tin. Let's stretch it out. Tin. Tin. That's it. Say it out loud and stretch it. Tin. Ah, now you can hear all the sounds. So it was t, I, n, t, I, n. So it starts with t, doesn't it? Which side does it belong on? Yeah, it belongs on this side. The letter T makes the sound t. So let's write tin together. First it's t. The letter T. T. I. N. Next sound is I. 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 The letter I. T. I. N. Like an aeroplane sound. N. T. I. N. T. I. N. Tin. Wow, well done. Super, so we can see that's a t word, isn't it? Now pause the video if you need more time to write that. When you're done, whoops, let's sing our song together. Okay. One, two, three. Is it t, 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 or is it p, p, p? Is it t, 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 or is it p, p, p? Which one is it? Well done for pointing to each sound as you sang. Is it t or is it p? Now, let's have a look. What do I have now? Oh, can you see that? It is a pin. A pin. Pin. Now, if you see one of these in your house, don't pick it up because they are very sharp underneath this bit. Okay? So don't pick it up. You can have a look at them, but don't touch them because you could, ow, hurt your finger. A pin. Pin. Let's stretch that word out so we can hear if it starts with t or p. Ready? Pin. Pin. Did you hear? P. I. N. P is the first sound. So, is it the letter T or the letter P that makes the sound P? Yes, it's the letter P, isn't it? P. Let's get ready to write that one together. P. I. N. First sound was P. Up, down, back up and over, and hook. P. The letter P. Next, it's I. I. P. I. P. I. Have I finished writing it now? P. I. No, there's one more sound, isn't there? And it's P. I. N. Pin. letter N. Pin. Definitely starts with P, doesn't it? Now pause the video if you need more time, or if you're ready, let's sing our song together. Don't forget, you point to the sounds as, or point to the letters as we sing, okay? So you've got to say, is it t, 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 or is it p, p, p? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Is it t, 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 or is it p, p, p? Is it t, 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 or is it p, p, p? What is next? Let's have a look. Ooh, goodness me, it's a fruit. It's a lemon. A lemon. Now, I have cut this fruit in half. Half. Look, there was one bit, then there's 1, 2. They're the same size, so they are both halves. That's one half, that's another half. Cut it in half. Inside, can you see? What's this here? I'll take it out. It's a seed. It's a seed, isn't it? And another name for that seed, lemon seed, is a pip. Pip. And that's our next word. Pip. Pip. But is it t or is it p? Does it start with t or p? Let's make it long to find out. Pip. Come on, stretch out that word and say it out loud. Well done. Pip. 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 Which one does it start with? Yes, it's this one, isn't it? It's the letter P making the sound P. So, can you write it before I do? So clever if you can. P. Next it's I. P. I. The letter I. P. I. P. Oh, another P. So it finishes with the letter P as well, making the sounds P. I. P. Pip. Now pause the video if you need more time, because I think we've got one more. But can I tell you a little secret about this one? Now, this word doesn't start with t or p. So it doesn't start with t or p, like p, ip, or p, in, or t, in. This one ends with one of the sounds, okay? It ends with t or p. Right, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Is it t, 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 or is it p, p, p? Is it t, 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 or is it p, p, p? Now I just need to get her, because this one is Wendy, okay, Wendy. Wendy is my cat. So this is my cat, Wendy. My cat. She loves to be brushed. She's very soft and she loves being brushed. Now the word is cat. 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 Okay, so that word, cat, let's stretch it out to make it long, shall we? Cat. 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 It doesn't start with t or p, but it does end with one of them. K, a, t. A, T. That last sound, T. Is it this one or this one? That's right, it's the letter T, which makes the sound T. So we need to write it over here. So first sound was K, K. The letter C, go up, back, down and round. K, A, A. The letter A. Very good. The last sound, K, A, T. It's the letter T, isn't it, that makes the sound T. Up, back, down, hook and cross. Cat. Cat. Excellent. Wow. So good. So we've got tin, pin, pip and cat, cat. Very, very good. Now, one more thing for this lesson. What I'd like you to do is, could you choose one of these words and put it in a sentence that you're going to say? In a sentence. So, let me show you what I mean. I might say, my cat is called Wendy. And that's a sentence. You could also say, there was a pip in the lemon. That's another sentence. Could you pick one of these words and then say a sentence out loud? If you really want to impress me, you can write it out. Excellent. Now I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will see you for another one very soon. Take care. Bye.